Lung cancer in non-smokers, causes and symptoms. Smoking is one of the biggest risk factors for lung cancer. However, lung cancer can still occur in a person who has never smoked. While it is rarer, lung cancer can develop following exposure to radon, secondhand smoke, air pollution, and other factors. According to the American Lung Association, as many as 20% of people in the United States who die of lung cancer every year are non-smokers. The non-smoker classification includes people who have never smoked and those who have smoked fewer than 100 cigarettes in their lifetime. In this video, we explore lung cancer in non-smokers, including causes and symptoms. How does lung cancer in non-smokers differ? Although there are some similarities between lung cancer in smokers and non-smokers, there are also a few differences, such as the following. Subtype. The most common type of lung cancer diagnosed in non-smokers is adenocarcinoma. Research estimates that 93% of lung cancers in non-smokers are adenocarcinoma. This type of cancer involves cells that line the small airways of the lungs. Non-smokers may also develop squamous cell cancer or mesothelioma, but these types are rarer. Research also notes that certain genetic mutations are more common in lung cancer among non-smokers. Evidence also suggests that lung cancers in non-smokers tend to grow slower. However, while they are less likely to spread, they can still recur, even following successful surgery. Sex. Worldwide, up to 20% of males with lung cancer are non-smokers, but over 50% of females with lung cancer are non-smokers. Researchers are still unsure why, but current evidence suggests it may relate to genetics, certain hormones, or higher rates of exposure to secondhand smoke, possibly increasing rates. Overall, lung cancer rates have appeared to decline in the last several years, but some studies indicate that there may be an increase in lung cancer among non-smokers. For example, a 2017 study involving 12,103 people with lung cancer in 3 US hospitals notes an increase from 1990 to 1995. 8% of the lung cancer patients were non-smokers, but the number of patients with lung cancer that were non-smokers from 2011 to 2013 increased to 14%. Causes. There are several possible causes of lung cancer in non-smokers, including environmental factors. Various environmental factors may contribute to the development of lung cancer in non-smokers, such as secondhand smoke, radon gas, air pollution, hazardous chemicals. Carcinogens. Carcinogens are substances that may cause cancer. Possible lung cancer carcinogens include asbestos, uranium, heavy metals. Genetics. Genetics likely play a significant role in the development of lung cancer in people that do not smoke. A 2015 study notes that 73% of non-smokers with lung cancer had a notable mutation or alteration. In particular, alterations in the genes EGFR, ALK, KRAS, and RET occur more frequently in non-smokers with lung cancer. Lung cancer symptoms in non-smokers. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), The symptoms of lung cancer are similar in smokers and non-smokers. Symptoms may include a cough that does not get better, coughing up blood, shortness of breath, fatigue, hoarseness, wheezing, chest pain. Smoking is a well-known risk factor for lung cancer, as potential causes in non-smokers are not as well known. People may not seek immediate treatment and instead attribute symptoms to allergies or other respiratory conditions such as asthma. Treatments for lung cancer for non-smokers. Treatment for lung cancer in non-smokers depends on the stage of the disease. Typically, treatment may include surgery. Usually for early stage lung cancer, surgery is part of the treatment plan. Different surgical approaches including removing only the tumor, part of the lung, or the entire lung. Chemotherapy. Chemotherapy includes a combination of cancer-fighting medications administered through a vein or taken by mouth. Radiation therapy. Radiation therapy involves directing high-energy rays to destroy cancer cells. Targeted therapies. This type of medication targets specific proteins that affect how cancer cells divide, grow, and spread. A 2020 study notes that lung cancer in non-smokers is likely to respond differently to targeted therapies. This study notes the distinct attributes and hallmarks of lung cancer in non-smokers and suggests they may help enable a path of precision medicine to manage non-smoking lung cancer. How to reduce risk? Not smoking is one of the best ways to reduce the risk of lung cancer, but non-smokers can also take additional steps to decrease their chances of lung cancer. Changes that may help to reduce the risk include eating a healthy diet, such as one high in vegetables and fruits, avoiding second-hand smoke, decreasing exposure to pollution as much as possible, following health and safety guidelines to limit exposure to carcinogens at work, and using appropriate protective equipment, having the home tested for radon. Knowing family history to be aware of an increased genetic risk for lung cancer.